In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide folder list view in Outlook. If your Outlook layout ever feels cluttered or you simply can't find your folders, adjusting the folder list view is a quick fix. We'll walk through it together so you can toggle that left-hand panel on or off whenever you need to without changing anything else in your inbox. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Once your mailbox loads, you'll see your inbox in the center and, depending on your current layout, a panel on the left that shows folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and any custom folders you've created. That left panel is the folder list we're focusing on today. At the top of the Outlook window, look for the View option. This is where Outlook groups layout and display choices. Go ahead and select View to open the Layout menu. From here, you'll find a control specifically for the folder panel. Within the View menu, locate the folder pane control and open its dropdown. This dropdown is dedicated to showing or hiding the section that contains your folder list. It's a simple toggle, but it's easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Now select Folder List. This tells Outlook that you want to manage the main folders panel rather than other layout parts. Once you choose Folder List, you'll see options to show or hide it. Click Show if you want the folders panel to appear on the left side of your mailbox. This is helpful when you're organizing mail, moving messages between folders, or keeping a close eye on multiple folders. Click Hide if you want to maximize space for reading and composing messages, and you don't need the folder list visible all the time. Hiding it can make your inbox feel cleaner and give you more room to focus. A quick note on what to expect. When you show the folder list, it appears immediately without reloading the page. When you hide it, your messages expand to use the extra space. If your Outlook looks a little different, it may be due to updates or a different layout, but the View menu and folder pane dropdown are still the right place to control this setting. To recap, open outlook.live.com, select View, open the folder pane dropdown, choose Folder List, and then click Show or Hide. That's all there is to it. Now you can tailor your Outlook workspace to match how you like to work.